Hi there, YouTubers. This is your girl, Choco Toffee TOS. Happy New Year. I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas. I had a great Christmas. I got to spend time with family and friends, and I got wonderful gifts and had great food and wonderfully good conversation. So I had a wonderful time and just wanted to say that I was very blessed and I'm very thankful. Now coming up in the new year, MrJJ'sGold.com and FireGemMountain.com are going to be bringing you more jewelry. We'll have things such as rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, watches, and a whole lot more. And from me, Choco Toffee, TOS, I will be bringing you things. I will teach you things like about cooking. We can do things together like makeup and hair, fragrances, cooking, mixing different types of drinks, decorating, again, hair and just, well, different things to promote wellness. So, YouTubers, please make sure you stay tuned in 2010 for all the great things coming up from Mr. JJ's Gold, FireGemMountain.com, and yours truly, Choco Toffee TOS. Tune in to my station, my channel, my website, or my site. So I just want to say, again, Happy New Year from all of us here. Again, at FireGemMountain.com, MrJJ'sGold.com, and your girl, Choco Toffee TOS. Keep a good big smile on your face.